Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create an AFK channel on your Discord server. Again, you do have to be an admin or an owner of the server. Select this button here and go to the server settings tab. Scroll down, go to inactive channel. You do have to create one, so create a channel first, select voice, then select AFK or like sleep or whatever you want to call it. Select server settings again, go to the channel that you want the AFK channel to be. Select the inactive timeout, and I'm just going to select 30 minutes. Press save changes, and when somebody's AFK for 30 minutes, they'll be redirected to that channel. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!